Are you looking for high-demand earning skills? Yeah. You are at the right place. Here are 20 high-earning skills across various industries. 1. Data science. 2. Machine learning. 3. Artificial intelligence. 4. Cybersecurity. 5. Cloud computing. 6. Software development, especially in high-demand languages like Python, Java, JavaScript. 7. Mobile app development, iOS, Android. 8. Web development, full-stack development, front-end/back-end development. 9. Product management. 10. Digital marketing, including SEO, SEM, social media marketing. 11. UX/UI design. 12. Blockchain development. 13. Data analytics. 14. Project management. 15. Sales and business development, especially in tech or specialized industries. 16. Content creation, writing, editing, graphic design, video production. 17. Financial analysis. 18. Investment management. 19. Strategic planning and consulting. 20. Medical and healthcare specializations, such as specialized nursing, medical coding, healthcare administration. These skills are in high demand across various industries and are often associated with higher earning potential. Keep in mind that the earning potential can vary based on factors like location, level of expertise, industry demand, and market trends.